Today I will tell you about ordering of fractions, and we will do the exercise from page number 114 from our book Countdown Book 3. Like fractions. The fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. You can see different fractions here. For example, 3 by 6, 1 by 6, 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. These all are like fractions. As you can see, the denominators of all these fractions are same. Look at this pair of fractions, 6 by 8 and 2 by 8. You all know that these are like fractions because their denominators are same. As now we know that if we have like fractions, so to compare them, we have to see the numerators of these fractions. The fractions with the bigger numerator is the greater fraction. If we look at the numerator of these two fractions, you can see that 6 is the bigger number, so it is a bigger numerator. So, this fraction, 6 by 8, is the bigger fraction because it has the bigger numerator. So, 6 by 8 is greater than 2 by 8, or 2 by 8 is less than 6 by 8. Now, we will learn how to do ordering of fractions in ascending order, means arranging like fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to largest. As you can see in the picture, that the order is starting from 1, which is the smallest, and moving to the bigger number like 2, 3, 4. So the ascending order is starting from the smallest to largest. Now let's arrange the given fractions in ascending order. The fractions are 3 by 7, 2 by 7, 5 by 7 and 1 by 7. So first we check the denominators of the given fractions, and here the denominators of all the fractions is 7. So now we need to check the numerators of the fractions to arrange them in ascending order, means smallest to largest. And for that, we need to find the smallest fraction, and that will be the one with the smallest numerator among all. Now look at the numerators of the given fractions and find out the smallest numerator, and here that is 1. So 1 by 7 is the smallest fraction. So write 1 by 7 at the first number. And after 1, now find out the smallest number among these 3. So 3, 2, 5, 2 is the smallest number among these 3. So write 2 by 7. Then 3 is the smallest between these two. So write 3 by 7. And then the last, which is 5 by 7. So 5 by 7 here. So you can see the ascending order of these like fractions. Like you can see 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 5 by 7. And these fractions are now arranged in ascending order. Let's do another example. Here also given 4 like fractions. As their denominators are same, and now we have to check their numerators to arrange them in ascending order. Like 6 by 9, 4 by 9, 2 by 9, and 8 by 9. So the denominator of all these fractions is same, and that is 9. Now let's arrange them in ascending order. Now again, check the numerators to arrange the like fractions in ascending order. So 6, 4, 2, 8. So 2 is the smallest number. So this fraction is the smallest fraction. So write 2 by 9 here. And now after 2, now we are left with 6, 4, 8. So 4 is the smallest among these three. So this is here the smallest fraction. So write 4 by 9 here. Then 6 by 9. And finally 8 by 9. So you can see the ascending order of these like fractions. 2 by 9, 4 by 9, 6 by 9, and 8 by 9. I hope the concept of ordering the like fractions is very much clear to you. To do the question number 1 on page 114 independently. Now let's read question number 1. Write in ascending order. The first part is already done for you, like 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 2 by 8, 1 by 8. So 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 5 by 8. B part is 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 3 by 6, 1 by 6. C part 2 by 9, 5 by 9, 8 by 9, 1 by 9. D part 4 by 10, 9 by 10, 3 by 10, 7 by 10. So you have to check these fractions carefully and then arrange these fractions in ascending order and write correctly in the given boxes. I hope you will be able to do this exercise independently and yourself.